Listen for me, a quick one. I have to speak very quickly. My boss is coming. I'm going to Cape Town tomorrow. Cape Town, Stellenbosch for the hockey, and Cape Town for rugby. I land at 10 o'clock tomorrow by the vliegtuig, and then my friend and we're going to a place called Cattle Baron. The guy is a baron of cattle. He owns them. He's got a pet cow in his house. And then he slags them and we eat them. But the cattle baron, apparently the steaks there is off a bliksemse hoek. Sometimes people don't want to leave. He has to eat them with a cattle prod because the steaks is so nice. But anyway, we go from a cattle baron, and then we go to Egg Chasers across the road from the stadium where the rugby are being played. Stormers against the All Blacks, the non-whites. And then we Egg Chasers. We go to the Egg Chasers and you chase eggs, and it's like an Easter egg hunt, and you sit with celebrities and you ask them how much money they made in the last month and whether they pay their taxes and things like that. And you have a lucky time. You have 27 liters of beer. You win 9 times, and then you go to the rugby. Now the rugby, listen for you now. Brendan Jacoby's cousin. Brendan Jacoby is in his land. He might sell you a fridge one day. It will be rusted, but it's got all its copper wire. Brendan's cousin Kevin Jacoby in Cape Town has organised me twice tickets to the stadium business lounge. They've got toilet paper in the toilets. Everything's tiled. You're allowed to take as much biltong, droewors, crayfish. There'll be crayfish in a loosie. Apparently you have to wear long pants or short pants, but you have to have underpants on. You must put on deodorant in the morning at least. Anyway, I'm going to go there. Guyton McKenzie's going to be sitting there. The president, the ex-president, Paul Creer, Van Pomplegrangie, Chokkie de Lange, Tarka Leroux, Zandberg Jansen's cousin, sister is going to be there. I'm going to be there. We're gonna boo and hiss. I'm pretty sure that me and Ruda Landman will be streaking at halftime in memory of Derek. But anyway, guys, watch. If you see the business lounge on the TV on Saturday, I'll be there. I might have a little nip slip for the ladies, or hitting a little bit of oop kettle for the guys. But anyway, guys, I'm very privileged, a privileged person upon my person to be getting all these freebies. And we're going to see you in Cape Town summer. If I don't see you in Cape Town, it's not my fault. I'm a very busy person at the moment. I have to, I'm also doing a Curry Bunny advert in Mitchell's Plain at 3 o'clock, so I can't show everybody. Okay, bye.